Hi, my name is Collin Turk, and like most people, I love big, fiery explosions. Most people, however, don't realize how easily they can be made. I've been constructing pyrotechnic devices for over a decade now, and big, fiery explosions are my specialty. Today, I will be teaching you how to construct one of the simplest and most effective forms of creating a big, loud, thunderous, fiery, scary explosion in a safe way. The primary way to make a fiery explosion is by using two different forms of fuel. For one, you use a binary concussive explosion, which uses the fuel source of a powdered metal. In most cases, aluminum is used. When you powder aluminum, it will burn if it's exposed to enough oxygen. So you pair this powdered aluminum with an oxidizer. In most cases, I use potassium perchlorate. Its molecular symbol is KClO4, meaning that it has 4 oxygens for every potassium and chlorine atom. When those two are mixed together in just the right way, the reaction will take place and pump oxygen as it's burning and create a full burn effect, which will then cause a rapid expansion of about 2,000 meters per second. Because this is faster than the speed of sound, it creates a concussive shock wave that then creates a powerful boom. However, the reaction takes place so quickly that it just appears as a bright flash. So you have to pair this device with a liquid fuel source to create the fire. In most cases, what I use for a liquid fuel is kerosene, because it burns very easily and very quickly, so you minimize the potential effect of burning places down, because the reaction doesn't burn fast enough. If you were to use gasoline or diesel, it would burn much more slow, but burn hotter. And that can cause fires that you then have to put out. What you do is you take the aluminum and the potassium perchlorate and you mix them together in a stoichiometric way, which essentially just means that you are combining the molar masses of the two in an equal way. And generally that ratio is 70% potassium perchlorate to 30% aluminum powder. You then mix these together and put them inside a pill bottle. The pill bottle has plastic which has some give to it, so it will blow out the sides, but it won't create shrapnel. So you drill a hole in the pill bottle and you put in cannon fuse, and then you put in the mixture of your potassium perchlorate and your aluminum, which is also sometimes called flash powder, and it is the same exact mix that is used in flashbang grenades. After you put it inside the pill bottle, you wrap it tightly with either duct tape or masking tape, or in some cases you even wrap it in twine and then paste over it with paper mache. After you've created the pill bottle, which is the concussive part of the explosion, you then tape a either water bottle or plastic baggie filled with kerosene to that bottle. You then place the device on the ground such that the explosion goes upward into the kerosene, which then disperses the kerosene into the air, where the heat of the explosion then ignites the kerosene, creating a big fiery plume. Most people think it's scary when one of these go off, but I think it's quite exciting. And I enjoy shooting off those types of fireworks more than any other. Here is a video of the final product so that you can see just how dangerous they can be if not handled appropriately, but also just how exciting they can be when handled safely and fired in a responsible way. Please do not try this at home. These types of pyrotechnic devices are for seasoned professionals, and just because they're easy to make does not mean that they are not dangerous. Thank you.